G'day everyone, I'm Dave and thank you for joining me. And now I'm trying to explain the reasons why your business needs to really take note of owning the conversation and making sure that your business is the one that gets cited by LLMs. The next little presentation, again, I've tried to change the format a bit rather than me just sitting here talking. I want to show you how important it is that you understand and implement this sooner rather than later. So in this explainer video, I'll cover a lot of topics. There'll be some facts and figures and everything else, which is the best way I can try and present them to you. And hopefully it will give you a better understanding. And if you want to look at all my previous videos, you'll actually see a lot of explainer videos leading up to this. So you can actually follow the track, if you know what I mean, of the growth of AI, which has just been crazy. Anyway, enjoy the video. Hopefully it will help out and give you a better understanding. In the previous video, we broke down the architecture of the AI readable web, the digital twins, and the XML feeds. But for most business owners, the how matters less than the why. Today, we're looking at the bottom line, why your financial future now depends on being cited by an AI. This chart shows the fragmentation of modern search. While Google still processes around 13.7 billion searches a day, there are now over 50 billion daily searches happening elsewhere. On YouTube, TikTok, and directly inside AI assistants like ChatGPT and Perplexity. This bar chart reveals the massive value hidden in low volume traffic. AI platforms might drive less than 1% of total site visits, yet they are already influencing nearly 10% of B2B revenue and over 11% of B2C sales. Raw website traffic is becoming a vanity metric. In the agentic era, you can have fewer visitors and still see higher profits provided you're the one the AI is recommending. For the last 20 years, we've been absolutely obsessed with impressions, getting as many eyes on a page as possible. But in a saturated market, a casual website visit is often just a person passing through before they click away. This diagram illustrates the power of selection over attention. We're moving away from the chaotic hunt for 10,000 impressions and toward the goal of a single trusted AI citation. One AI citation at the moment of a customer's decision is worth more than thousands of casual views. It's the difference between being a face in a crowd and the specific provider and assistant hands to a ready-to-buy customer. The price has changed. We need to stop optimizing for human eyes and start engineering our businesses for machine selection. This flowchart tracks the old journey. Search Google, open tabs, compare manually, and call. Watch it transform. The customer asks an AI. The AI researches, compares sources, and presents a curated shortlist. Manual labor vanishes. Standard websites fail here because they are visual brochures. AI models struggle to confidently pass your PDF menus, your hidden about us stories, or your unformatted lists of services. This is why we build a digital clone. This diagram shows a visual website being distilled into structured data blocks. Clear, explicit facts about your location, services, and trust signals that a machine can ingest instantly. This clone lives as a structured repository underneath your visual site. It's the version of your business that exists specifically for machine request and agentic retrieval. If you don't have this structured backend, the AI can't verify what you do. And if it can't verify you, it won't risk its own reputation by recommending you to a user. We can see this working right now on Sutherlandshire Online. This is where we've built a local authority layer using the AI assistant Sutherland Sally. This node map shows how Sally processes a local query. Instead of reading random web pages, she hits an organized network of 10 raw or zero local Q&A records and business entities to provide a finalized recommendation. The same logic applies to the tourism sector at Hotels Thailand Online. This question tree shows how we eliminate the click, click, click of travel browsing. By mapping travel party types and budgets into a conversational structure, we lead the user directly to a booking intent. These directory models prove that when you structure your data for machines, you bridge the gap between a customer's question and your business's solution. This bar chart highlights the shift in ROI for answer engine optimization. In 2024, the returns were often in the red, but as of 2025, we're seeing a 144% increase in return for businesses that prioritize AI readability. This graphic shows why we have to update our benchmarks. Rankings and clicks are becoming lagging indicators. The new indicators of success are AI citations, recommendations, and your frequency of retrieval by autonomous agents. This AI visibility flywheel turns business knowledge into a digital twin and structured Q&A feeding machines to earn AI citations and build authority. With each citation, model confidence grows, creating a compounding advantage that makes it mathematically difficult for competitors to catch up. Delaying this upgrade means letting competitors claim the authority markers AI systems are recording today. You are choosing to forfeit digital territory that will be nearly impossible to reclaim once the models have finalized their preferred recommendations. This diagram shows the own the conversation stack. We build your data layer block by block, starting with your website, then layering an AI assistant and a digital twin. Next, we add distribution layers, service entities, location data, and machine readable feeds, ensuring your visibility flywheel never stops. Discovery has moved away from the search box. Users no longer scan pages of results. They ask questions and expect a single accurate answer. You can keep fighting for dwindling clicks on the visual web, or you can build the machine readable structure necessary to be the trusted answer. Your next customer won't search Google to find you. They will ask an AI. The question is whether you've given that AI the data it needs to say your name. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood that middle section, and hopefully it'll just make things a bit clearer for you. Please, I'm more than happy to keep explaining the concepts of these because they are a bit hard to understand at first. And at the moment, there seems like there's no urgency in this stuff, but believe me, the urgency is there, right? This is happening all around you, and people are just trying to run their business. They're just trying to make a living, fully understand it. But unfortunately, life gets complicated, and AI has just changed everything. It's no different to me walking up to someone and saying, oh, look, see this electric cable here? It is intelligence. I can plug this into your business, and this will grow your business at a huge rate. Okay, so take it back to the days of electricity. You imagine someone walking up saying, oh, I've got this thing called electricity. Oh yeah, that'll never catch on. Anyway, this is very different. This is seriously going to change everything. And I hope by me explaining the way these things work, it makes life a bit easier for you to make your decision as to which way you're going to go forward. All right, thanks again for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.